Hello students, welcome to RP Education Class App. In this video, we are going to see one of the official public notice that was released by the University Grant Commission on 25th April 2020. It is regarding the recommendation of the university committees which was created by the University Grant Commission to survey about the exam policy and the new academic calendar. Before going into the details, if you are planning to give UGC NET June 2020 exam on management, that is paper code 17, then it is a very good news to all of you that the online course is available for the subject, where you will get full notes of 10 units of paper 2 of management as per the updated syllabus, which is totally exam oriented and every topic is described thoroughly. Along with that, you will get unit-wise MCQs and previous year question sets. Also, you will get online lectures by which your concept on the subject will be more clear. So the interested candidates may contact with me by comment here or by mail, which is given in the description box. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Then you are going to get the top updates and immediate notifications. So now coming to the present content of this video, that it is a official public notice released by the University Grant Commission on 25th April 2020. That press release on examination and academic calendar. It has come to our notice that some news regarding examinations and academic calendar citing the reports of UGC committees have appeared in the media. In this regard, it is clarified that the UGC constituted two committees to look into the issue being faced by the universities and colleges regarding teaching learning processes, examinations, admissions, academic calendar, and other related issues in view of COVID-19 pandemic and countrywide lockdown, to avoid academic loss and take appropriate measures for the future of students. So there are mainly two committees that created by the University Grant Commission. The first committee, under the chairmanship of Professor R.C. Khuad, former member of UGC and Vice Chancellor, Central University of Haryana, was given the responsibility to look into the issues related to examinations and academic calendar. Whereas the second committee, under the chairmanship of Professor Nageshwar Rao, Vice Chancellor, Indira Gandhi National Open University, that is IGNOU, was asked to look into issues related to promoting online education. So first committee is looking into the examination and academic calendar, and in the second committee they are looking for the online education. So it is further clarified that the both committee have submitted their reports on 24th April 2020 to UGC. The reports will be discussed in the UGC Commission meeting, and based on the decision of the Commission, UGC will issue guidelines or advisories next week to the universities and colleges regarding the measures to be taken for the current academic session, as well as next academic session in the larger interest of student community. So it is mainly stated by the University Grant Commission. So it is the update that I want to provide through this video from my channel. For more updates, please subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Thank you.